Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up a proxy in Incognition. This is really useful for managing your multiple accounts safely, hiding your IP, and testing different locations. So make sure that you have your proxy credentials ready before starting. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have your Incognition. So I do not have it, but of course, you do have to make sure to purchase one if you don't have it yet. So you could choose from Starter Plus, Entrepreneur, Professional, Custom Package, but it really depends on what you need. So anyway, um, what you will have to do once you've already chosen your um, plan, you will just have to launch Incognition on your PC and log into your account. And then after that, you will go to your proxy settings. So it should be under your profile. So it should be somewhere right here. It really depends on the layout of your software. But anyways, once you see proxy settings under your profiles, you will just have to click it and add proxy and fill in the details such as your IP address, port, username, and password if needed. And then of course, you will apply proxy to profile by selecting your profile and choose the proxy you just added and click apply. And then of course, you will test the connection and open the browser profile and verify your IP has changed and ensure that your proxy works correctly. And yeah, that's how you can set up your proxy in Incognition, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.